everyone, so we'll be making the flower faces or a flower stick like this. So first take the different color papers like this. So here we have taken yellow color, fold it like this and press it. Now cut it from the between, stick them by like joining different color papers together, fix them to make the flower petals. Now on the top of it, we will take a round shape of paper and fix it like this. Now fix its stems and leaves, fix the stick like this, take the green color paper to fix it and it's ready. Next we will make the flower. So first take a yellow color paper, fold it like this and then we will make few more as such and paste all of them together as shown in the video. Fix it very carefully and turn it. Now join them one by one like this into each other. Now we will make it stems and leaves. Take a green color paper and roll it to make it stem. Fix it together and your flowers are ready. Next, we will take the flower like this. Now use multiple colors to make its petals. Take different color of papers like this and join them one by one as shown in the video. Now join them like this from the sides. Now open it. Now we will make its stems and leaves. Fix the round sheet in the between and stick the stem. Put the leaves and it's ready. Next, we will make a googly flower like this. So first take a paper like this and then cut the frills out of it. After cutting it out, we will fold them from the between and take a stick to roll it from the end. Roll it like this and join another sheet over it in the same manner and your flower is ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, we will make a leaf like this. So take a green color paper and fold it from the sides. Fix it like this. Open it from the top and follow the same process for the other side. Fold it like this and make a heart shape. Join all of them together. Make it stem by using green color paper like this. Fold it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a hand fan. So first, fold it from the between. Now open it again, fold it from the sides. Now roll it like this into small pieces, join them and curl it like this. Now fold it like this, paste them from the between and spread it. Now decorate it using different flowers or different craft color papers and it's ready. Next, we will make small cute flowers like this. Take a pink color paper and then fold it from the sides as well. Fix it by rolling it like this from the sides. Make few more as such and join all of them together like this. Paste them. Now you can put some another color paper in the between. Fix it one by one and your flower is ready. Thanks for watching our video.